Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this makeup look, this Halloween makeup look. This is perfect for if you are literally looking for a last minute costume idea. 2 years ago, this was my costume because my friend invited me to go out to the club, but it was like we were supposed to dress in Halloween costumes, and I was like, that sounds like fun, and I love doing makeup, so let me go try to figure something out. I ran to Walmart really quickly. I found this little antlers necklace and deer hand little pieces, and I was able to create a costume because I already had this vest. So I was like, let me recreate this makeup look just in case anybody is looking for a last minute costume idea for this year. I feel very exotic, sexy, seductive. Literally the night that I went out looking like this guy was like literally hounding me. He told me he was hunting. I wasn't interested because I have a man, but this is like a sexy, cute makeup look all in one. You can look like you have a costume on, but also look sexy at the same time. So if you guys want to recreate this makeup look, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this look. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay, you guys, it is time to film a freaking video, and I'm excited. I need to fix this camera at a better angle before I get started. Oh, is that too bright? I don't know. I feel like this should be good. But before we get started, you guys, I'm blind as a bat. I need some contact lenses because I wear glasses and I can't see. But we're doing makeup, so I need contacts. And for today, since we're doing a Halloween makeup look, I'm gonna be trying on some contact lenses. Actually, I need to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying on some contact lenses because I'm not sure what color I want to use. The contact lenses that I'll be reviewing / trying on today is the TTD eye. I think their brand is called Third Eye Contact. I'll have their website linked down below for you guys. Oh wait, it's ttdi.com is their website, but I'll have it down below for you guys. My hands are still wet. Dry my hands. I have the different colored contact lenses on the screen for myself so I can figure out what colors I'm gonna be trying on, because I did open this box and they forgot to put the colors, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the colors are not on the box, but this is the package that the contact lenses came in. Super cute, and they are prescription, which is great. I tried on one pair a while ago. I think they're in, oh no, they're in this one. I tried these on, ooh, I just thought about it. Hopefully sweet. I was like, hopefully the solution is still in there to keep the contacts fresh, because without that they would dry out. But the package came with, I'll open it and show you guys. Oh, this is not a pin. This is a little mirror. How cute. A little mirror so you can try on the contact lenses. Adorable. If you guys hear a little beeping noise, it's my washing machine because I'm washing clothes today. It's Saturday. The package came with 4 contact lens cases, and this one, for some reason, I don't know why it's sticky. Weird. I'm not going to use this one. But it came with a contact lens applicator and the little tweezer thingies to pull them out your eye, but this one I'm not going to be using. And then these are some stickers, I'm assuming. Yeah, these are some stickers. I'm gonna send them to my nephew because why not? Because I'm sending my sister a package. And then what's this? It says post your photo video on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube with hashtag TTDI and get a chance to win free contact lenses. Yeah, so yeah, it's a giveaway. Well, that's cool. So yeah, they sent me these a while ago. I should have been filming this video, but we're here now, so hi. So I'm gonna try on, I guess, the original pair first. I wish I knew which contact lens was which, but the boxes that they come in are super cute. I just really wish they would have put the names on the boxes. But luckily on the screen, I have all the lenses that I picked out, so I'll be able to kind of like guess which one's which. So ghetto, right? So this is the one I have open already, the blue box. Jeez Louise, y'all. Jeez Louise. So this one is, hold on, I'll be back, y'all. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I was able to figure out which contact lens is which. So the one that I already, oh my gosh, my dogs, they're gonna bark. I just opened the door for them so they can go use the bathroom. Them barking, I'm sorry if it bothers you guys, but if you guys are new, get used to it. If you subscribed, get used to my dogs barking in the background. But the color that I already tried on before is the Hammy Melon Brown. Oh my gosh, the moment I take my glasses off, I'm so blind. But if you guys are blind like I am, they do have colored prescription contact lenses, which is awesome. And they're super affordable. I don't remember the exact price, but this color is the Hammy Melon Brown. I'm gonna just put some new, I just cleaned my hands again because I put my clothes in the laundry. I'm gonna clean my lenses again with my solution. This is a solution I like using, the BioTrue. I'm gonna try all 4 colors on and then decide which one I want to use for this makeup look. This makeup look is just gonna look so much more cooler with lenses. Oh my gosh, one of them is dried out. This is what the Hammy Melon Brown looks like, which is a super pretty color, but the other one's dried out, so I won't be able to put both of them on. I'm so sad. It's crusty. You see how it's like stuck to the side? I just put some solution on it to see if it'll revive it, but I don't know how long it's been dried out for, so that's not good. At least you guys get to see the color in my eye. I'm gonna close it and take this one out since I won't be able to wear it. I usually just take them out with my hands, but I'm gonna see how these work. I'm gonna rinse it with some solution just because I don't know how sanitary these are. This is what they look like. They look like little tweezer thingies. I'm rinsing it over my trash can. I have a trash can under here. Let's see if he'll take the lens out for me. Easily. Wow, how convenient was that? All right, let's try on the next color. The next one I'm going to try on is the Trinity Green. Yeah, it's the Trinity Green. This is the box that it comes in. I don't know if they always come in the same color box because they're not named, so I don't know. Oh, that's cool too. They don't expire until, I don't know how long they're good for. I should have double checked that, but they don't expire until 2025, which is cool. I've never worn green contacts before, but they look cool. And since these are freshly out the pack, I don't have to worry about putting solution on them. Whoa, whoa. They're kind of creepy. They look cool for makeup looks though. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna use it for this makeup look today, but I think this color would be cool for the cat eye makeup look if I do it before Halloween. So this is the Trinity Green. I know my eyes look super red, you guys, but it's not because they're irritating or anything, because they're not. So this is the Trinity Green. I look so sad just because my eyes are watery. What do you guys think of this color? I don't know how I feel about, like, I don't know if I would wear these on a regular day, but for Halloween, colored contact lenses are super appropriate. And I'm used to wearing contact lenses, so lenses don't bother me. The next one I'm gonna try on is, let's see, I think I'm gonna try on the Iris brown green color, these ones. And they look very green in the package. They look like brownish green in the packaging, like yellow greenish. I don't know how to describe it. I was gonna try out the little applicator, but I know how to put them in, so I'm not about to waste my time trying to do that. Well, this color is cute. Anytime I put colored contacts in, for the most part, I haven't put any other, like, any colors in that I ever didn't like. Actually, no. Whenever I was in high school, I tried on blue contacts before, and I thought that looked weird. Is it giving you guys anxiety seeing me put contact lenses in? Is it gross? Trigger warning. If you don't like people putting contacts in, don't watch my video. These colors are cute, too. Cute. I feel like these ones look more natural than the other ones. What is this one? The Iris Brown Green? It's like hazelish color. They're called Love Me Brown, the ones I'm about to try on. I think those are the ones I'm gonna keep on for the video. For the inspiration or the makeup look that I'm recreating, I had on like hazel colored contact lenses, so I think those are gonna be the ones that I wear for the video. Okay, you guys, this color is definitely the color I'm gonna wear today. This one is the, let me double check, Love Me Brown. These are the Love Me Brown lenses, and I'm definitely gonna wear these today. I feel like this color is perfect for the makeup look that I'm going for. I'm gonna do my hair first. This color is so cute. And honestly, I feel like out of all the colors I tried on, this might be my favorite. I think these are my favorite. They look the most kind of like, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but I'm gonna put on some lip gloss because my lips is dry and it's irritating me how dry my lips are. This is my Clear Quartz lip gloss from my cosmetic line. I will be releasing more lip glosses, but right now this is the only one that's currently on my site. I'm just waiting for some inventory to come in so I can re-release my glosses, but it is well used and loved. I've been using it like every day for the past few weeks now. Nice and glossy. It does have glitter in it, but not too much glitter. But these braids are so old and I'm so tired of wearing them, but I was like, I'm gonna at least do this makeup look with these on. And so what I'm gonna do is put 2 buns in the front. I don't know if I need that much hair for it. Yeah, I think I'll use that much. I'm gonna just time lapse this because I'm not doing anything special to my hair. You guys see how my hair looks. When I originally did this makeup look for Halloween, it was 2 years ago, and my hair was curly, and I did 2 buns like this in the front, and I had the back curly naturally. That should be good. And then I'm sorry I'm chewing gum. I decided to chew gum while I'm doing this until I get my food because I'm hungry, and it helps to keep me concentrated because I do get distracted extremely easily. But I was like, I'm gonna chew some gum to help with that. That was something my teachers always like complained about, is me chewing gum in school, but chewing gum just helps me focus. I don't know why, but it does. And I will link my video down below of how I did my hair if you guys are interested, because I did do these braids myself. I need to moisturize my face. Making some veggie spring rolls, but I'm gonna moisturize my face real quick. I know the timer is gonna go off in any second. See, I knew it. I'm gonna let this sit on my face a little bit and then I'll be back to start my makeup. For my makeup portion, I think I'm gonna do a voiceover, so I'm not gonna be talking while I'm doing my makeup because I wanna focus on what I'm doing, but stay tuned to watch and I hope you guys enjoy me recreating this makeup look. I'll have the makeup look on the screen, or at least, I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the screen right now or if I'm gonna have it on the screen a little bit earlier so you guys know what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna be recreating that look. But before we start, that timer's gonna irritate me, I have to go. But this is the same exact deer antler kit that I used a couple of years ago. I ran to Walmart to go see if I could find something to make this costume makeup look, and I found this. It was $8, $7.98, and they had the same exact ones. These are these cute little deer hand thingies. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be putting on, and I do have a little vest. It's not this color, but it's dark brown. Once I'm done my makeup, I'll be back with the vest and all that good stuff. But if this is still available and you guys want to recreate this look, you guys head over to Walmart. Hopefully they still have it available for you guys so you can grab it. The vest, you're gonna have to just figure that out yourself because I was gifted the vest that I'll be wearing in this video. But yeah, all right, I'll be back. When I come back, it's going to be voiceover time. Super excited. Okay, you guys, I'm starting off by priming my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I feel like this primer is perfect because it's sticky and tacky. And then I'm going in and priming my eyelids with the Fenty Beauty concealer and just blending it out. And then I'm gonna set my lids with the Fenty Beauty banana powder as well. And I'm going in with this brown eyeshadow. The colors I'm using today are different than the original makeup look, but it did come out super cute. You guys can use whatever brown eyeshadows you guys have, and I'm just gonna be going back and forth between that lighter brown shade and the darker brown shade just until it blends the way that I like it. This palette is from a small Black-owned business, but she did discontinue this palette and change her business name. So I can't necessarily tell you guys where you can get this palette, but yeah, just use what you have. And now I'm using setting spray to make this shimmer eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I'm gonna be covering it up with glitter, but the base of the shimmer eyeshadow makes it so that the glitter pops even more. And this glitter primer that I'm using is the NYX glitter primer. And for the glitter, I'm just mixing together two different NYX glitters. I'm using the bronze glitter and the gold glitter and just packing it on. But as you guys can see, as I'm applying the glitter, it just looks super, super vibrant. And I feel like the shimmer underneath the base helps it look a lot better. And for the eyeliner, I'm doing a super dramatic liner. My liner still came out way more dramatic than I wanted it to be, but I'm just using two different liquid liners. One of them is from the brand Essence, and the other one is from Wet n Wild. And I just went back and forth, praying as I was doing it. At this point, I was honestly kind of stressed. Okay, as you guys can see, my eyeliner is a lot bigger than I wanted it to be. That's okay. I'm gonna make it work. Now, this is what you call cut a bitch liner, okay? Now I'm applying my foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Maybelline Super Stay foundation to start off. And I just applied that all over my face and blended that out a little bit. And then I went in with a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, just because it was a little bit brighter and I wanted the center of my face to be more highlighted. And because this is a Halloween animal look, I wanted it to be very dramatic on the highlight and the contour as well. So for the highlight, I'm using two different concealers. Both of them are lighter than I would normally use, but I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer and the LA Girl concealer. Same thing for my contour. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as well, and I'm using a darker shade than I would normally use, mixed in with a little bit of the normal shade that I use. And I want it to be very, very harsh on the contour, so that's what I'm doing. But I do still take my time and blend it out. And now I'm just blending out my concealer and setting it with the same banana powder, the Fenty banana powder that I was using earlier. And I did leave it on my face for a little bit so it can bake. Now I'm contouring my nose, and as I was contouring my nose, I remembered I am doing an animal look, so I started to shape out the heart shape for the nose. That's basically what you're doing, is creating a heart shape for the tip of your nose and then just bringing the contour into your eyeshadow to connect it. And just take your time with this part. I'm using this black eyeliner. It's a cream gel type of eyeliner that I got from e.l.f. a long time ago. It was kind of dried out, so I was struggling to draw out the shape, but I made it work. And I did have to get my liquid liner to get the edges around the tip of my nose by my nose ring. Just take your time with it if you're gonna recreate this look. And now I'm taking some makeup remover just to clean my nose rings off because a lot of black got all over them and I did still want them to peek through. Now I'm setting my nose with some setting powder and dusting off my under eye a little bit. And now I'm going over that with some black eyeshadow to set it a little bit more. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make my eyes more smoky. And I added some black to my outer corner, or my, whatever you call it, outer crease area. No, please don't start barking, doggies. Now I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting powder. That's like the shade of my face. I'm just connecting my eyeliner now. Just watch me work, you guys. I'm trying to keep up with this video, but I kind of time-lapsed it really fast. So I'm trying, but you guys see what I'm doing. And now I'm using my Urban Decay glitter liner to kind of highlight underneath my lower lash line just a little bit in the front area. And then I actually accidentally ended up covering up this little effect that I made in the middle, but it still looks really cute. And I'm using a little bit of banana powder to snatch the sides of my nose a little bit more. Use a little bit of that brown eyeshadow from earlier. You guys see what I'm doing. This is one of those things you kind of just have to watch me work and learn visually. But now I'm dusting all of it off and I'm doing my blush. Me trying to keep up with this voiceover is hilarious to me. And now I'm just doing the white dots and I'm using the Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. Towards the end of the video, I kind of accidentally smudged the white dots, but I made it work. And it still looked cute overall. And it's a costume. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. I just took my time and went back and forth, but you know, just have fun while you're doing it. And now I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting spray. That kind of brings everything together so you won't look so cakey and powdery once you set it. So don't worry, trust the process. Now I'm applying lots of mascara. I don't even know how many coats I did. I feel like I literally did like 10 coats of mascara. Popped on some lashes, and these lashes are from a small business as well, Brini's Beauty. These are her La Lola lashes, super cute. Love these lashes. They really brought the look together. And the two matte lipsticks that I'm using are from small owned businesses as well. This one is, I believe, by the brand Crown Beauty. And then the bottom lip color that I used is from a brand called Divine Beauty Cosmetics. But just use two colors that works for you. The top lip, you want it to be darker, and the bottom lip, you want it to be lighter, like skin flesh tone. But yeah. Now I'm applying highlight in my inner corner, and this is when I accidentally covered up the sharpness that I did in my inner corner with the liner, but it still looks cute. I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, adding a little bit more lipstick. You guys see I'm all over the place. But it came out so cute. Highlight those cheekbones, you guys. Highlight those cheekbones. My chin. Fixing my dots, making it work. And then I set my eyebrows with this NYX brow glue. Yes, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes, obsessed. I will be back, you guys. Yes, so cute. Literally, it's like halfway into October. I think today's the 15th or the 16th, so I'm like, I wish I had somewhere to go with this makeup look. Where am I going? I don't have anywhere to go this year for Halloween. This is so cute. If you guys want to recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram or comment down below or something so I can see you guys recreate this makeup look, because I feel like I did a really, really good job. And I would love to see you guys recreate this makeup look. If you guys like this makeup look, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications so you guys know every time I upload a new video. Hopefully, I'm able to upload this video and the cheetah print eyeshadow makeup look before Halloween, so you guys can recreate the looks if you want to. If you guys need like a last minute makeup look for Halloween. I'm still chewing gum. I'm sorry about that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.
Bye, you guys. I wish I was close enough so I could be like, how about the video?